What's going on YouTube? And today we're going to do a two-part unboxing. One of the SnapeZo movie poster frame and two Danny Whitfield's show boards. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy D back with you once again, and today we're gonna do an unboxing. That's right, we're gonna do an unboxing here on the channel. And I just want to say, for all of you guys who have come back to the channel, I'd like to welcome you and thank you. We have hit 1,000 subscribers, everyone. I want to thank each and every one of you for assisting me and helping me in passing up that milestone. I couldn't have done this without any of you. So I just want to say a big thank you to everyone. 1,000 subscribers. Let's go ahead on to 2,000. So yeah, all right. So let's get underway with this unboxing. And so just to let you know, everything that I'm going to mention today, I'm going to put down in the description. So that's the SnapeZo movie poster frame, as well as Danny Whitfield. I'm going to make sure I plug his website because he does awesome work, everybody. And or once you see his poster boards, it's just amazing. Basically, to give you guys a little bit of a background, so I do enjoy going to car shows, and I do enjoy showing La Fonda. And a car show that I was at not too long ago, I think it was in Warrenton, Virginia, there was a gentleman who had a show board, and I've been looking for show boards forever. Even before I got La Fonda, I was looking for show boards. But his was extremely impressive. This was on Father's Day that I saw it. And so ever since I saw that particular movie frame, or excuse me, ever since I saw that particular show board, I asked him, where did you get this from? And so he told me he went to DannyWhitfield.com. And so I ended up reaching out to Danny and setting things up. I gave him a few pictures of La Fonda, and then he sent me back a proof. And so after looking over his over the website, I was extremely impressed with just the quality of how everything looked. And so I just needed to send him a few pictures, and then he would send me back a proof. And it was really quick. We're also going to review a movie poster frame. Now, what I'm going to do is the show board that Danny sent me, I am going to put inside this movie poster frame. So I actually have one right now. As you can see right there, that I have my ZR1 poster that I got from GM. And I love this particular frame because it's very simple. These edges, they actually snap out, and then you can just put in whatever poster or anything that you have. And the beautiful thing about this is, so they have a clear finish as far as the cover, or they have a matte finish so that you don't have to worry about glare or anything like that. As you can see, the poster is not reflecting any type of glare or anything like that. And so so yeah, that's the lens cover that I'm going to use for the poster board. So yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Alright everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. As you can see, it already got, I won't say got damaged, but wasn't the greatest in transit. So, alright, so here we go. Everybody, there you go. So let me open this up. one of the films, and then the other film is on here. And as you can see, just pop these up. Alright, as you can see right there. Like I said, these just pop up. And here you go right here. This is the matte finish movie frame holder. So that there's no glare. You can probably see that. Now we're going to go ahead and check Danny Whitfield's SHOWBOARD. Not sure if you can see it, everybody. Very, very good quality. He also provided some smaller prints over here on the side as well. So I'm assuming I'm going to have to trim this. There you go. There's his number. And you can go to his website and check out some of the prints that he has. It's extremely impressive what he does. And there's several different sizes that you can get. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start cutting this. I'm not necessarily concerned about now that I have this cut out, it's time to put it in frame. And these frames are super, I mean, it's awesome how these frames, just snap in. This should be a fairly quick process. What I normally do as well, the other kind of glossy lens, I usually just put this back in here, behind the picture, behind the actual picture. So there goes that. Make sure everything lines up. And there you have it, everybody. Like I said, this is Danny Whitfield from DannyWhitfield.com. Everything fits in there perfectly. It looks awesome. Of course, you got the different specs that I wanted to put on here. Alright everybody, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this particular upload. I'm going to link everything down in the description, so if you'd like to go check it out, where I got the SnapeZo frame from, that'll be down there, and as well as, of course, Danny Whitfield. So, Everybody, like I said, once again, thank you for assisting me and helping me in reaching 1,000 subscribers. I'd like to thank everybody for helping me reach that milestone, and it's just upwards from here, everybody. Let's keep it chugging, keep this content coming, keep those thumbs ups, keep those subscriptions coming, everybody. And so I'd like to thank everybody so very much for coming to the channel. And yeah, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you like the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, remember, everybody, deployed. Isn't that such a beautiful sight? Deuces.